A lot of people love the look of florals in their tree topper, but they don't know where to start. Let me show you. First of all, I like to have a couple of picks to be the focal point at the back of the tree topper. You'll notice also that the two side pieces are often slightly offset from each other. So rather than lined up like that, often you'll have one on just slightly taller than the other. So then you add your flowers. So bend the flower head so that it's going to be pointing forward, so you're going to be able to see it when it's in place. And then I will again offset them slightly. So one will be normally slightly higher than the other, quite tightly packed together and in the middle of the tree. Now this is a display for just the front of the tree. So if your tree is visible all the way around, don't forget to do the same on the back as well. Then if you want, you can add a couple of ornaments to the top as well, or a third flower in a different color. You can mix it up. So you can see from the images I've shared, there's lots of different ways to do it with the same technique. It's really easy once you give it a go, but just stick to the formula of 3 picks, 2 flowers, and then repeat it on the other side if you're doing it for both sides of your tree.